Hello guys, my name is Danny and I'm a student at DePaul University, and today I'm going to be showing you the UrbanSwing W4 Lite wired headphones. So as a student at DePaul, I use my AirPods all the time, but they always die. So these are my backup pair. Since they are wired, you don't need Bluetooth or any batteries for these headphones, which is super nice. The standard 3.5 millimeter jack, so they have a 3.5 millimeter jack. You just gotta plug it into your computer. So it plugs in perfectly into my computer right there. And then the cord itself is 4.9 feet. So you could sit comfortably around your desk. And then the over-the-ear design is comfortable and the ear cushions feel really soft. So you can see the ear cushions right here. And then there's also a built-in mic right here, which I use when I'm making podcasts or just any videos. I like that they're foldable and adjustable. So you can see, you could fold like that or the other way, it doesn't really matter. And then they're also adjustable, so you could adjust so it fits perfectly around your head. Doesn't matter how you adjust it. If you have any newer devices that use USB-C, you could check it out, and there's a soft velvet protective pouch, and you could check their upgraded bundle sets on the UrbanSwing Amazon storefront. And for the standard W4 Lite version, I would recommend it as an easy everyday pair for college, school, homework, travel, or just studying.